Okay, so this is day 2 of the Euclid notes, if you're ready. This is multi-step solving single step with multiplication division. So you're going to take your sheet like this, and you're going to fold it in half, like so. It should make a nice little book, and then later when we're done, we can put glue on this and put it into our notebook. Okay, so we're going to think about what operation is going to happen. We're always doing the undo. So when 3 and x are right next to each other, I like to think about them as being married, or it's multiplying. And the inverse operation for multiplying is division. So what we're going to do is divide by 3. Divide by 3, x equals, what's 6 divided by 3? And that's 2. And we can check our work by doing 3 times 2. Does that equal 6? And it certainly does. All right. What operation, when they look like a fraction, remember that fraction bar is a division. And the inverse is multiplication. So we can multiply by 2 and multiply by 2, and x would equal 6. And we can check 6 divided by 2, or simplify it, 2, if we can think about it as a fraction, and 3 equals 3. So it works out. All right, let's go into the middle of our notes. All right, so we want to think about the operations that's happening. So 12 and x is multiplying. Multiply, I can spell, and we're going to divide. So we want to divide by 12, and remember we can do our long division over here. 108 divided by 12, and we're going to think about this. Let's try 9. 9 times 2 is 8. Carry the 1. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So x is going to equal 9. All right, remember we have 10 over x, so we know they're right next to each other, so they're multiply. And we know we have to divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 10, because 10 divided by 10 equals 1. So I'm going to do 5, remember top in the box. Oh, can't go in, bring our decimal point. And 10 can go into that, 5/10. So x is going to equal 5/10, or we can even say a half if I just wanted to simplify that. Over here, x, that bar, remember, is division. So the opposite division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So 31 times 4 is 124. Okay. What operation is happening here? It's division. So we want to multiply. So I'm going to multiply by 9, and we can do 22 times 9, 18, 18 again, plus 1 would be 19, so 198. Next step. Oh, it's on the opposite side, it's on my right side, but it's still the same. Remember that bar means division. So I'm going to multiply, so I know I need to multiply. I'm going to multiply by 7, 25 times 7, 5, 3, 14, plus 3 is going to be 175, so x equals 175. All right, last one. So we know they're multiplying. So I know I want to do division. So I want to divide by 4, divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4, 1, so x equals 1. So again, we're going to take glue it into our notebook, like so. Glue that bad boy in, and that's the second day's notes.